Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla and then NIO, Rivian, Lucid, and Ford. Now, we still have 4 minutes left until market closes, but we have enough price action, and as we go through this video, market will close as we are going through this video, so everything will be falling all in place. So now, what we are seeing in the price action. Yes, we did have some sell-off. We lost one of the levels today, 228 and 24 cents. But is this something right away? Are we bearish? Well, not necessarily. If I turn on the structure here on my easy day and swing trading tool, we are just in a pullback today, though technically right now structure hasn't really broken on the daily interval. Now, we'll get to the point in what again the levels to watch, but let's go to the hourly interval first. Now, yes, on hourly interval, at least for intraday, we do have weakness. So now let's turn this on again, and you can see pretty much before even the market opened, we turned red right over here, and then the weakness continued for the rest of the day. Orange also means it's a bearish structure. It's just that rebound, but it's not bullish rebound. It's still a bearish rebound. And just to make it simple, what I can also do is just set the setting to flow, and that helps in just knowing, okay, what is the structure doing? And accordingly, you can just build through your positions. In this case today, it's a short position. But so we are in the cloud. We did find some rebound at 223, right? But is that rebound strong enough? Let's go to the 5 minutes interval as well. So as we were still in the bearish structure, you can see below the cloud, we did have some good rebound right up over here. We did came back all the way to cloud, but that was it. We became bearish structure again. And thereafter, it's been a little bit on the sideways, and there's still some scalp moves coming up and down, but this hasn't been able to get above the cloud. So you get my point, right? Intraday, it was still a bearish play for most throughout the day, right? And so yeah, right now also the last many minutes, like what, 30-40 minutes, is still selling off. So yeah, right now, even yes, intraday we are in the bearish structure. I showed you on the hourly interval as well, we had a sell-off cool-off day on the intraday. On the overall bigger structure, we are still holding the pattern though. So in the overall structure, this can be taken just as a pullback, right? Now, but yes, intraday weakness is there. What are the levels to watch tomorrow if we want this weakness to just remain a pullback and just a little bit of a cool off and not necessarily a bearish structure? Well, then tomorrow we need to see Tesla get above 220 and 21 cents. If Tesla can do that, that's fine enough again. Otherwise, no. So if I take you back again to the 5 minutes interval, you can see that very level, right? We had this 228 zone, so much of pivots the day before. And then this is where we have, again, like so much of zones. So we tried to hold support, failed again. But this is where it's reacting the most. Significant level 228. If Tesla can get above this tomorrow, that's the area to play upside. Otherwise, no. This thing, otherwise, can continue to cool off more, and then that something can bring us again down somewhere to 200 hours moving average. That's a possibility. And also, if we go to the daily interval, there is this one trend line that right now is not showing up, but I can draw this out for you. There's this trend line, right? So until then, this is still in a upside structure. And so the big move, as I talked about, guys, over the weekend as well, is above 200 and this 35 area. This is where we have had previous earnings chart breakdown. This is where we had a lot of short selling volume present, and I can turn it on my tool. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description of this video. And this is where you can see previous high short volume percent also came. Another came, short high short volume, then sell off as well, massive candle. So that area still becomes, and right now again some slowness is coming there, but so to get out of it is when the next big move would be, and that is definitely above that zone, like 235 area. And if I take a look at the weekly interval, you know, that's where 200 weeks moving average is as well. But yeah, we are still technically holding the pivot on the overall structure, right? So that's that. So those are the levels to watch on Tesla. All right. And 228 most importantly for tomorrow. If we stay below it, unfortunately, cool off may continue. If we can get above it, we will be fine. And also, there's one more thing actually. You can also watch if Tesla falls tomorrow, but 223, if it somehow can find support here again, that's the zone you can watch if any potential rebound. And what you have to watch for rebounds, right? So you have to watch what is the price action doing there. For example, today, what did price action do there at that area? A double bottom, right? And that's when rebound came. So if tomorrow price continues to fall, but here you see tomorrow that price is finding support, you are seeing VIX forming, things starting to go up back again. You can use my structural indicator, easy day and swing trading, to identify when the structure has turned green around these areas. If it does, you know that this level is holding, right? So things along those lines. Anyway, so that's Tesla, guys, for today and tomorrow. Let's take a look at now NIO. So NIO, again, a red day. Now, overall structure here on this couple of days ago has turned negative. All right, let's go to attentive mode. So that's, I do see slowness coming, right? Let's go to the hourly interval. And this is where with NIO, if, yeah, if NIO falls and closes below again $5.30, it's a problem, right? And yeah, that's the problem with this thing. It just comes back up and then it just slows down, right? And if it can hold $5.30, it's all significant level by level. It needs to go up, right? That's what it is. And if, yeah, it's below 20 and 50 as well. Right now, it's not looking good. But next big move will be above $5.63. What that big move would be, though, is just above that next significant level. And then the red box is where the very big supply zone is that we need to get out and above if NIO just wants to continue up and up and up and up from there. But $7 area is the big resistance. Rivian is just staying choppy, guys, and this thing is just wanna just break now. It's just like, nope, can't do it. It's rejecting again $13.65 underneath again. Yeah, it's just gone sideways and not able to do anything. Yeah, so it's just downtrending. Lucid, well, so what was the level to watch? This was the level to watch, $3.82. If, as I said, if we lose it, then we lose it, right? And unfortunately, what happened? Well, we lost it. So yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, this thing now can again cool off, unfortunately. Yeah, again, you can use, sort of this trend line as well on this one at this point, but that big move is not happening right now. This thing is just goes up and then sells off a little bit, right? Lost 200 hours moving average as well. Tomorrow, if we can't get above $3.82, nah. Yeah, you have to just work with these significant levels, and if we just break it to the downside, it's just going down. And if we can get above it, that's fine. Otherwise, no. Ford. Now, Ford is interesting. I don't know if the structure is still bullish at one point, though it was bullish today. Let's see. Yes, it did turn green. It did turn green. Structure did turn bullish here. So it all comes down to this next level, $10.83. If we can continue above it, it can continue higher. And if we don't lose now $10.53, we should be fine. If we lose it, then we have another problem. So, but that's pretty much the level to watch on this thing. Right now, though, it's, yeah, well, structure is green. Stop loss can be below that as well. Does it has enough strength though to continue higher? Let's go to the hourly interval. It's above the cloud as well. It's above the 200 hours moving average as well. So it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad right now. So as long as we can hold above the cloud and continue to just hold above it now and make our way higher, that's fine. I am seeing some early signs of structure change on this, right? So that's that. Yep, and yeah, just level by level, guys. Level by level, okay? Level by level. Above this $10.82 will open up the door more to the next above significant levels. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Most importantly, I wanted to focus on Tesla. And yep, that's pretty much it. All right, I'll see you in my next videos. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. All right, bye.